Hi, good afternoon. Look at this. I'm actually sharing this hive that is attacked by ants. Look at it. Okay, the ants is taking the honey, the stingless bee honey. So what will the stingless bee do? I actually see what happened and what actually how the stingless bee responds. Okay, look at this part. Okay, they're actually building a new wall. They're actually building a new wall, and they're actually building a new wall to stop the ants from going further. Look at the new wall that they built. This is the wall that they actually built. It's just like the Great Wall or the Marine Wall. Okay, you see they're actually building the wall. Can you see the bees inside there? They're actually building this part just to cover the ants from penetrate further in. Okay, while the ants enjoying their honey over this part. So look at it. They did not fight. They actually let the ants to take these parts of the honey, and they are building this section, another section, just to prevent them from coming in. That is how they tackle this problem.